Hey there guys, I'm on board on a R46 C Train to 42nd Times Square-42nd Street to 14th Street. And here we go.
Over there for like what is it?
This is the second after
You okay, Junior?
train. The next stop is 43rd Street. Stay clear of the doors, please.
It goes on R32 A train on the other side. You cannot see it. Hey Junior, can we stop at Broadway Junction? Junior, can we stop at Broadway Junction? You know what? We're going to Broadway Junction. You know what? We're stopping at Broadway Junction. Okay. This is 23rd Street.
En fait, j'avais oublié le chargeur de mes batteries. J'ai une batterie qui est très grosse, comme ça que j'avais acheté ici, qui se voit. Celle-là, c'est 7-8 heures. Donc, il n'y a pas besoin de changer de photo. C'est pour ça que j'ai vu le chargeur. Just now,
this is on R46. Doors are closing. Sorry about my shaky camera.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may transfer to the Brooklyn-bound F train that is running on the C line. Brooklyn-bound F running via the C line going to Brooklyn. This train's last stop will be 2nd Avenue.
You know what? Thanks for watching.